Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you about the Go Level SaaS mode. So what is a SaaS? SaaS is basically software as a service. SaaS mode is a very good business model because when you provide software as a service to your clients, then once they start using your service, then they will not cancel and they will stick to you for a longer time. So if you go for a lead generation agency and if you are giving leads to your clients, then the churn rate of lead generation agency is 66%. So it's very high, and average client stick to your service for 1 to 3 months. But whenever a client or your customer start using a software which is useful for his business, then he will never cancel it. So it's a very good option to add SaaS mode in your business. So in order to access to the SaaS mode of Go High Level, you have to log in into the agency dashboard and click on the SaaS Education tab. Here you will see the window. It says it's time to automate your profits. Cement clients by pivoting to a software plus services model. There is a small video which describes about the SaaS mode, and it tells you that SaaS mode is a very good service model because you can get continuous recurring revenue every month. You can watch this short video. And why should you go for SaaS mode? Because every small business needs it. It is an immediate win. It supplements success. It's a high margin recurring revenue and it's extremely sticky. So what is a SaaS mode technically? SaaS mode is two set of features. When you go for SaaS mode, you will get two features. First is called SMB features, which is for your clients, and second is agency feature, which is for your agency. So in the SMB feature, you will get two-way text messaging, web chat visit, Google My Business GMB chat, Facebook Messenger chat, reputation management, and mixed call text back. And for the agency feature, you will get auto sub account generation, auto user plus permission generation, dunning non payment lockout, Twilio rebilling, and SaaS dashboard. So if you want to get started with Go High Level SaaS mode, then you have to follow these steps. So here it says how to get started. You can watch this small video which will help you how to connect your Stripe account to the agency dashboard. First of all, you have to sign in into your Stripe account, and in a new browser tab, log in into your agency high level account and go to the setting and go to Stripe integration. After that, click on the connect to your Stripe account button, which will open up a Stripe and prompt you to connect. You just need to give permission to the Stripe account to have access from Go High Level. You have to log in into the Stripe account with your admin permission so that you can give access to the Go High Level. After that, when you connect your Stripe account, you have to configure your SaaS plan. You can watch this video which will tell you about how to configure your SaaS plan. For that, you have to go to the agency account, then you have to click on plan configurator, and you have to build your plans, set your pricing, set your trials, and Twilio credits, attach snapshots, choose Twilio revealing profits. You can create here your pricing, and you can create a trial if you want to give 14 days or 7 days trial to your software, then you can give it from here. You can also attach Twilio revealing credits, as well as if you want to give revealed snapshots to your client, then you can also give it. After that, click show Stripe product details. Under each plan price, so copy the Stripe plan ID. After that, you have to copy the Stripe plan ID in the product details so that both will be connected, and you can see the sales generated in your dashboard. After that, in the third step, you have to build a pricing page. Here you can watch this video which will help you to configure two-step order form. So here are the steps. First of all, you have to switch into your agency sub account setting and integrate the same Stripe account from step 1. After that, create pricing sign up page and add the plans from SaaS configurator to the product tab. After that, build out your pricing sign up page, and then you have to add two-step order form to the page, and you are ready to go. So this is how you can start your SaaS agency mode, and you can sell this SaaS plan to your clients, and you can get recurring monthly income from a long period of time. So it is a very good option if you want to increase your revenue per month. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want 14 days free trial of Go High Level, then you can click on the description link in the description and sign up from there. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.